let me know about yourself.
My full name is Masum Billah, and my family members and my friend call me Masum. If you feel comfortable, you may call me Masum. It's my nickname.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
Actually, I spend my weekend very well. Sometimes I spend my time with my friend to do a lot of activities. Sometimes I visit famous place with my family or friends.
Okay, do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend. His name is Sajidul Islam. He's a very honest and disciplined person. And sometimes he helped me my study purpose, and I like him most.
Can you tell me something about your educational background?
Yes, right now I'm studying at Islamic University in the Department of Islamic Studies, and I have a deep interest to gain Islamic knowledge, to spread Islamic dawah all world. And first of all, I will spread Islamic dawah in my country, and then I will spread Islamic dawah all over the world.
How do you prepare for exam usually?
Actually, I prepare for exam. Sometimes I take preparation before exam, and I study a lot of time, and I prepare from my teachers.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is gardening, and I like most it because whenever I feel sad that time I go my garden and it makes me feel extremely relaxed.
Do you do any housework with your mother?
Yes, my mother has a house and it is very incredible, and I live with my mother and my family.
Okay, nice. Do you help your mother in any way?
Obviously, I help my mother. Whenever my mother cooks delicious food, that time I help my mother, and I learn from my mother cooking and making delicious food.
Okay, if you could travel anywhere, where would you like to go?
Yes, sir. I have a big dream to travel favorite place. First of all, I will travel in my country favorite place, and then I will go abroad for explore any place.
Okay, do you want to settle in abroad?
No, sir. I have an interest to go abroad for gaining higher education, but I have no interest to live in abroad, but I have interest to stay in my country.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Masum. This is the end of your speaking test. You did well, and best of luck.
Thank you, sir. Salam.